Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Find by ID tool or Outliner tool to find a panel or more than one panels in SketchUp. In some cases, we need to adjust or find a panel, then use the ID or the name on the label of that panel. First, select the tool Find by ID. Tick Find by ID or Find by name. For example, I find by ID, then enter an ID here, then hit execute. Other panels will be hidden. To find more than one panel, separate the IDs or the names with a comma. And to keep other panels hidden, tick Keep Hidden State, then hit execute. Then these are the two panels I'm looking for. Now to show other panels, select all or select the frame. Then hit Show. Another way is to use Outliner from SketchUp. Select Window, Default Tray, and then tick Outliner. In the filter box, type in the name or the ID. Then you're going to see the panel that you are looking for. Left click on it and then you will see the panel in the frame. So this is how we use the tools Find by ID or Outliner to find panels. For more tool instructions, see you in the next videos.